Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring the monitor is well placed and the mother is comfortable. This reduces noise and false readings. Once done, record a clean 10-minute baseline to capture resting FHR and any obvious accelerations. Make sure to log maternal meds, movement, and gestational age because those factors change interpretation. Then start continuous tracing, marking fetal movements and contractions as they occur. This first phase ensures the recording you'll analyze is reliable and interpretable. Now focus on how the tracing varies. You quantify short-term and baseline variability because variability reflects fetal oxygenation and autonomic function. Next, count accelerations. After 32 weeks, expect rises greater or equal to 15 BPM lasting greater or equal to 15 seconds. Before 32 weeks, use a 10/10 threshold. Once you've checked accelerations, inspect decelerations and relate them to contractions. Their timing and shape, early, variable, or late, tell you whether issues are benign or concerning, so annotate each event clearly. You finish by classifying the NSD. A reactive tracing has at least 2 qualifying accelerations within the observation window and preserved variability, meaning reassuring fetal status. If non-reactive, extend monitoring to 40 to 60 minutes and try vibrocaustic stimulation. If still non-reactive, escalate with a contraction stress test or biophysical profile. Finally, if tracings look abnormal or noisy, troubleshoot quickly. Reposition the mother. Fix lead placement, and consider fetal sleep or maternal medications as common confounders before changing management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.